Now, I asked my mom, does she have money before we even left at the house? She said, yeah, of course. I work hard every day. We get to the sugarcane shop. She goes in her bag. That's not a wallet. It's nothing. It's thoughts and prayers in the bottom of her bag. So I'm running home right now to go get money so we can get our sugarcane juice that we just ordered. But it's gonna be worth it. I've secured the wallet. I'm on my way back to get my sugarcane juice and can't wait to taste that sweet, sweet nectar. Look at my sugarcane juice. I'm gonna tear it up, I fear.